Peter Godfrey-Smith, Other Minds, The Octopus and the Evolution of Intelligent Life. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of octopuses and explore the evolution of intelligent life as you journey through Peter Godfrey-Smith's Other Minds, The Octopus and the Evolution of Intelligent Life. This engaging book takes you on a whirlwind tour of the evolution of animal life, beginning with simple unicellular organisms, delving into their intriguing behaviors and social interactions that played a major role in the development of animals. Through the exploration of the unique octopus, the book uncovers the improbable evolutionary journey from a harmless, limpet-like mollusk to the majestic predator we know today. Prepare to be amazed by their incredible color-changing abilities, question the concept of consciousness, and ponder the complexities of communication and thought.
The surprising capabilities of unicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms may be the most basic forms of life, but they are far from simple. With the ability to recognize and react to their environment, they are capable of displaying complex behaviors, as seen in E. coli bacteria's sense of smell and taste. When it comes to social behavior, bacteria can collaborate to produce bioluminescence in response to a nearby concentration of other bacteria. These interactions and collaborations eventually led to the evolution of bigger organisms, such as animals. Understanding the coordination and collaboration between individual cells is essential to understand the evolution of life on Earth. The Octopus Evolution. Imagine interacting with an octopus, which pulls you in, tasting you using millions of nerve cells. Millions of years ago, octopuses were harmless and limpet-like mollusks, crawling on the seabed. But around 125 million years ago, things began to change. A single foot sprouted arms that allowed it to manipulate objects and grab any prey. The octopus could no longer be prey without losing its shell, which turned into a soft balloon-like protrusion. Additionally, the octopus learned to propel itself with great bursts of speed by shooting water through a tube-shaped funnel, allowing it to make quick attacks or escapes. These advancements took the octopus off the seabed and into the vast, murky depths of the ocean, making it one of the great predators of the sea. The colorful world of cuttlefish. Imagine scuba diving and coming across a giant cuttlefish, putting on a spectacular light show, changing colors from moment to moment. Cuttlefish and octopuses are known for their unparalleled color-changing abilities despite being considered colorblind. Researchers suggest that an octopus and cuttlefish's skin acts independently of their eyes and brain, allowing them to change color precisely to camouflage themselves. The skin can react to environmental changes even after it's removed from the body, making it a wonder of nature. The short life of cephalopods. Cephalopods, including cuttlefish and octopuses, have short lives that last no more than a year or two. Their lifestyles and the evolutionary design of their bodies limit their survival. Octopuses, which have very little protection, are predators themselves and have to hunt in open water, making it rare for them to stay alive for more than a couple of years. Additionally, female octopuses breed once and die protecting their eggs until they hatch, resulting in a shorter lifespan. Consciousness in animals. Animals such as octopuses are believed to be unconscious despite their ability to comprehend complex information and respond to stimuli. However, the author observes octopuses interacting with their surroundings in a curious and exploratory way, suggesting human-like consciousness. The prevailing attitude is based on research into human psychology, where the woman's ventral stream was damaged, leaving her unable to see, but capable of performing complex tasks with the objects in her environment. Despite lacking streams to consciously process information, many people believe all non-human animals live in this state. The role of language in complex thought. Language has long been considered a prerequisite for complex thought, as proposed by Charles Darwin in his book The Descent of Man. Words are indispensable in organizing ideas into a sequence. Recent research from Harvard found that young children needed to understand language before learning logical formulas. However, there is evidence that certain animals, such as birds that store food, are capable of complex thinking despite their lack of language. The question of whether language is vital for complex thought remains unanswered.
In Other Minds, Peter Godfrey-Smith unravels the mysteries and marvels of the octopus, revealing the evolutionary journey that molded these intriguing creatures into the incredible predators they are today. The book unveils their fascinating behaviors, including astonishing color-changing abilities, the relationship between communication and thought, and delves into the question of consciousness in these complex animals. By exploring the early days of life, from simple unicellular organisms to the development of animals, Godfrey-Smith perfectly demonstrates the power of cooperation and coordination in the evolution of the animal kingdom. As we say goodbye to these awe-inspiring creatures, we are left pondering the true meaning of consciousness, the intricacies of communication, and the remarkable intelligence of life on this planet.